All right, guys, we are back for day 2 of prefixes. Just a reminder, a prefix is a group of letters at the beginning of a word that helps us to better understand what the word means. Our prefixes all have different definitions, and they all mean something different that helps us understand what that word means and being able to figure out how to use the word, what it means, and to help us better understand our reading. So yesterday we learned the prefixes re and un. Re meant again, and un meant not. So we're going to learn 2 new ones today, and actually we're going to learn another one that means not, and that prefix is dis. So we have actually 2 ones that mean not. We have un that meant not, and now we have dis that means not. So some examples of that one. Disagree. So if we don't know what disagree means, we can take that prefix off at the beginning, look at just the prefix, and think, oh, well, I know dis means not, so that means not agree. So to disagree means you must not agree with someone else. Let's look at another. Disbelieve. Okay, if we break that word apart to make it easier to read, dis means not, and then believe. So it must mean you do not believe. So disbelieve. You cannot believe it. You do not believe it. Last one for this prefix is dishonest. Okay, so honest, we can break our prefix off, dis, not, and honest. We know honest means to tell the truth. So not honest means you're not telling the truth. So I'm hoping you're seeing now that we're taking some pretty decently sized words, some longer words, and being able to break them apart and read those prefixes to help us understand what the words mean. So again, dis means not. Our next one for today is pre. Now you may notice that pre is actually in the word prefix right here. But let's look at some more examples. Pre means before, okay? So it means it comes before. So examples, in the word preview, you're used to seeing the word preview like in a movie theater when you go to watch movies. You'll see the previews at the beginning. And a preview of a movie is a view before you see the movie. So breaking that word apart, pre means before and view. So before you view the movie, you get to see this little part of it. So a preview is a little part of the movie that you see before you can see the whole movie. So pre means before, view means to look at. So before you look at, in that case, in the meaning of like a movie preview, seeing it, a little piece of the movie before you see the whole movie. Next one is pre-cook. I can break that word apart as well. I see my prefix in there. So pre-cook, I know what cook means. Pre means before, so before you cook. So pre-cook might meaning that you get something ready before you cook it. So before cooking. Prepaid is our last one here. Notice I can take apart my prefix. Prepaid. Well, I know paid means to give money for something, so prepaid, before paid, before paying. So it might mean like if you bought tickets online for something and you get there, you can say, oh, I prepaid. I paid before. So I've already paid. So as you can see, I'm easily breaking apart these words to be able to see what they mean, especially when I have a longer word.